It's a slippy thing, so it won't slippy. We are cooking. We have, gonna get a little bit of onion. Not a lot again. We have here some leftover London broil. Yeah, yeah. So first we'll do the onion. And cut the London really thin, like super thin. I have to eat a bit. Okay, I'll eat that a little bit. Put on a piece of aluminum foil. Okay, and I have some leftover chicken, because you know, I'm not going to use a lot of the leftover chicken either. Oh, that's good. Okay. Cut it down a little bit smaller. Okay, that goes onto the aluminum foil. And that can go away. Out comes the New Wave Mini. Put this on there. Tiny bit of sriracha. All right, put the cover on. And we're just gonna cook it for 5 minutes. Just to heat it up. The New Wave really is my favorite RV gadget. Yep, making tortillas. Pause it. Finish it up. Now what we're gonna do is carefully move that off there. One hand cooking tortilla, and I have some of my leftover pepper cracked baked beans. It's got about 2 minutes left, so we're gonna start it again. Heat those up a little bit. Okay, I think that's good enough, so we're gonna clear it, unplug it. We're gonna move stuff around. So, some of the London, some of the chicken. Get over to the onions, get the onions in there. I think we're having a good couple burritos here. Let's fold this sucker up and eat it. Now we'll fold it up and eat it. All leftover stuff. Doesn't that look good? Let's see. Leftovers are not a bad thing at all. I think there's a variation of this coming up soon, but I hope you enjoyed this and that you have a great and wonderful day. All right, YouTubers, it's your fault. I gotta eat another one because of you guys. It's your fault. I forgot the cheese, so there's all the same stuff on there. And now, got some Colby Jack to go on it. Okay. I appreciate you guys approving. Now, I'm gonna set that sucker on there. All right, I didn't know what you'd be able to see. So I'm gonna give it 2 minutes just to watch the cheese melt a little bit. I would judge by that. How could I forget? Cheese. I try not to eat as much cheese. We gotta pick and choose things in life sometimes. And cheese, I have to pick and choose a little bit. Well, there's that, and there's being in a small Class B, a camper van with limited storage. There's always suggestions of, ooh, you should add this, this, or that, but there's not always the room for it all. All right, I think that's melty enough. All right, I'm gonna turn the air back on because it is hot. It is hot in the UP. Ooh. And you really can't cook a tortilla much longer than that. See, it's got the melty goodness. How often do I forget just to take a darn picture for you guys? There we go. All right. Sriracha. Smiley. Flyover. Cheese. Chicken. Onions. London broil. Beans. Cracked pepper baked beans. It's a good burrito. All right, let's see how it does now having cheese on it. Yeah, it was worth it. Definitely worth it. There you go. Have a great and wonderful day.